Hi everyone, welcome to Group 8's Hazard Project. We will be taking a tour from the East Coast to the West. Our first stop is Miami, Florida, known for its warm beaches and treacherous hurricanes that torment the Sunshine State. Because Florida is in between the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, Florida is very vulnerable to hurricanes. Tropical storms usually start near the west coast of Africa and travel west towards the Americas, gaining power and destruction as it fuels up by the warm waters of the Atlantic. It gains speed from 74 miles per hour to 155 miles per hour, transforming it into a hurricane. As it continues westbound, the westerlies force the hurricane northeast, where it crosses land like Florida and other southeastern states. While hurricanes cannot be stopped from developing, there are a few things to keep in mind to reduce damage. They are: stay up to date with the weather forecast, especially during the hurricane season, which is from June to November. Seek shelter if your home is vulnerable to flooding or wind damage. And of course, have windstorm or flood insurance. Next, we will be traveling to Northern California, which has been recently combusted by the state's largest wildfire, the Mendocino Complex Fire. It has burned 459,123 acres in less than 2 months. While it is 96% contained, the main reason for California wildfires is due to climate change. The state has dry land, which is a result of low rain throughout the year, but the main cause of wildfires is due to human activity. Ways to prevent wildfires are: never leave a fire unattended, never discard cigarettes on park grounds, and also be advised of weather. If it's warm, dry, or windy, it's best not to start a fire. As you can see, there's dry grass and lots of trees that can burn easily. Our last stop of the tour is New Mexico. New Mexico is experiencing an exceptional drought, especially the city of Farmington. The entire Four Corners region has varying levels of severe drought, caused by low average levels of precipitation. The Four Corners region has seen lower than 20% of average rain levels and has climbed from 3 to 4 degrees above normal. The reason behind the drought in Farmington is the high amount of water used for agriculture. Farmers use so much water that if all citizens cut their usage in half, it would not make a difference on the drought. Ways to avoid the effect on drought is to plant shade crops to help shield crops from the sun, collect rainwater when it rains, and also farmers are being asked to analyze their soils to find out exactly how much water is necessary for their crops. With that being said, that concludes our tour. Thank you for joining.